In this video, we can talk about top 5 Bertha AI alternatives and competitors. Hey all, we are back with another interesting video on our Alternatives Code channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-powered writing and exploring the best alternatives to Bertha AI. The top 5 alternatives of Bertha AI, including Writersonic, WordAi, Frase.io, and AI Writer. Without any halts, let's begin the video. Our first alternative is Bertha AI. Bertha AI is a powerful writing assistant that specializes in B2B content generation and enhances creativity and productivity to the max. It offers features like grammar checks, readability scores, spelling error detection, and sentence complexity analysis. With advanced language models and deep learning algorithms, Bertha AI helps you craft engaging and persuasive content effortlessly. And one of the standout features of Bertha AI is its ability to generate natural-sounding text that aligns with your writing style. Next up, we have Writersonic. Writersonic is a versatile AI-powered tool designed to streamline your writing workflow by generating content in more than 25 languages. It offers features like story generator, article summarizer, product description, and Google Ads title. Whether it's blog posts, social media copy, or product descriptions, Writersonic has got you covered. It offers a wide range of writing templates and generates high-quality content tailored to your specific needs. The standout feature of Writersonic is its make-your-own AI feature through which you can train it to write exactly what you want. Moving on, we have WordAi. WordAi is a well-known content spinning platform that assists you in rewriting and generating unique content. It offers exclusive features like bulk rewrite, code view, HTML compatibility, and API access. With its user-friendly interface and extensive formatting options, Word remains a popular choice for professionals and individuals alike. Its standout feature lies in its integration with other Microsoft Office applications, providing a seamless workflow for users. The fourth alternative on our list is Frase.io. Frase.io is an AI-powered content optimization tool that helps you create SEO-friendly content. It offers features like content analytics, outline builder, and content editor. With Frase.io, you can generate content briefs, optimize your existing content, and even create chatbots for your website. Its standout feature is its advanced content optimization capabilities, allowing you to create content that matches search intent and boosts your organic traffic. Last but not least, we have AI Writer. Writer is an AI writing tool that aims to simplify the content creation process and offers various writing modes to cater to different needs. It offers features like SEO's analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. Its intuitive interface and easy-to-use features make content creation a breeze. The standout feature of AI Writer is its language translation feature, enabling you to seamlessly translate your content into different languages, reaching a wider audience. Compared to Bertha AI, Writer stands out by offering a highly personalized writing experience and utilizes advanced natural language processing to adapt to your unique writing style. Writersonic, on the other hand, comes with an extensive collection of writing templates tailored for various purposes and industries. WordAi focuses on employing sophisticated algorithms to generate coherent articles that not only meet the requirements of your topic, but also satisfy search engine algorithms. Frase.io helps to analyze your content and provides content briefs that guide you in creating comprehensive, SEO-friendly articles. Lastly, AI Writer distinguishes itself through its user-friendly interface and caters to all your skill levels, providing an intuitive platform for creating compelling content. After thorough research and analysis, we would recommend Frase.io as the best alternative to Hyperwrite for content creation and automation. With its AI-powered content optimization capabilities, Frase.io empowers users to generate high-ranking, SEO-friendly content. It offers a range of features, including content briefs and optimization tools, to help you create engaging and impactful content, and thereby helps to drive more organic traffic to your website. And there you have it, the best alternative to Hyperwrite. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.